Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to send disappearing photos on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now just click the photo or capture a video. I can click a photo by tapping on the circle icon, that is snap, and after this you can now simply go to the send to option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply select the person that you want to send disappearing photos. I can select this person, and after this you can now tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and it is the way you can send disappearing photos on Snapchat. The other person is not seen the photo for the second time because unless they saved your photo, and it is the way you can send disappearing photos on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.